Hey guys, welcome to the Joy of Yoga. I'm Joy Skull and I'm here with Jeremy Devens from Quiet Mind Yoga.
Hi.
We are going to be doing a Yoga Trapeze for Beginner series. It's going to be a three-parter starting upper body, core, and then a good overall stretch. So let's go ahead and get started in front of our Yoga Trapeze here. We're going to grab the middle straps behind us and then come down to our knees. So I just want to make sure that we stretch our bodies out before we activate those muscles. Go ahead and bring your handles together, maybe clasping your fingers, and then exhale, let your chest come through your shoulders, keeping the shoulders down the back. Breathing here, almost like an elevated puppy pose. Letting the stretch the front of the shoulders, down the sides of the body. One more round of breath. And then inhale, bring your hips back behind you and sit back so you're kind of rounding in your body, letting the shoulders come in front of your head, slumping forward and up. Two more rounds of breath. And then exhale, go ahead and shift forward back onto your knees. Nice. Now we're gonna grab the lowest straps, bring them to our sides, and then we're gonna lean out over our wrists, bending our elbows, coming to hold here, almost like in a chaturanga. And then as we inhale, press into our hands to push our body off of the strap, and then exhale to bend and lunge forward. Or just hold wherever feels good for you. Two more of these. Neck is long like a ballerina. And exhale. Inhale up. Perfect. Go ahead and release your straps. Come forward just a little bit. Then shake out the shoulders, rolling them forward, up, back, and down. And then bring your whole arm into this, both arms. Trying to get a nice rotation, slight bend in the elbows. And then go ahead and shake out the wrists. Nice. So let's go ahead and stand up. We're going to start our upper body now. The best way to build upper body muscle to get into your pull-ups is a reverse pull-up. This is called a negative. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab both of our handles, and then again, neck is always long, shoulders pulling down the back. I'm gonna jump and come into a tuck. So that means I'm gonna jump, pull my elbows into my sides and bring my knees up to my chest. And then I'm trying to hold this position and slowly lower. As slow as you can go, keeping those knees tucked until your arms are completely straight. Nice. So I like to try and do this for 3 aerial seconds or 5 aerial seconds. So 1 aerial, 2 aerial, 3 aerial, 4 aerial, 5 aerial. Again, if you find a spot where your body it just lets go, maybe try and focus on squeezing a little bit harder, slowing that down. Let's do that 2 more times. Make sure you take your breaths between. So take a deep inhale here. Exhale, jump and come into your tuck. And then exhale, 1 aerial, 2 aerial, 3 aerial, 4 aerial, 5 aerial. Nice. If you need to take a breath, go for it. And do that 1 more time. Nice inhale. Exhale, engage your core, jump, tuck, and then exhale, slowly lower. 2 aerial, 3 aerial, 4 aerial, 5 aerial. Beautiful. How you like that now, Jeremy? He took me through a crazy workout. You should go check out his channel. That was insane. I thought I was strong.
That was strong.
So that'll eventually get you working up to doing a full-on push-up or pull-up. Now let's go ahead and take the fabric with our thumbs just by our hips. We want to spread the fabric wide behind us. This is going to help us as we jump to sit down. Yeah. How's it holding for you?
It's a little scary, but I
A little
trust it.
scary. Yeah. So now I'm going to reach my hands behind the fabric and then to the front to grab the middle level handles here. Perfect. So whenever we want to rock back into our hammock, you want to make sure that the fabric is just below your bottom and then right above your hips. Nice. Yep. Scooting right to the edge. And then we want to straddle. That means take our feet as wide apart as they'll go. As we lean back, take those feet wide. Make sure your other straps don't get caught as you bring your legs forward. Wrap around the back and tuck your feet behind the fabric. Yeah, so forward, around the front, and then tuck. So if you get caught, just go ahead and come to that wide straddle. You'll stay up, it's got you. Trust it. Nice, and then make sure that fabric is free as you wrap and tuck the legs again. Around the front, towards your face.
This way.
Yep, towards your face and then tuck.
Arm legs.
There you go, that's it. Nice, and then release. Perfect, then we'll take those handles and then make sure the fabric is outside of your arms, bringing your elbows in close to your body, hands just underneath your shoulders. As you take a deep inhale, exhale, press your belly down towards the ground as you reach your hands out in front of you to push up. Nice. So then you can either stay here or untuck the legs. So like a Superman. And let's go ahead and retuck. You can bring the soles of your feet together and then do a little push-up here. So exhale, pressing down, and then up. Do 2 more. Inhaling up.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Really hard.
And exhale down. I'm glad you said that. And then go ahead and release those arms once more. You can grab opposite elbows here. And then we'll take our hands long out in front of us, walk them out. And then exhale, let your body fall through your shoulders. You can even turn your hips to one side and then the other. And then one more inhale, coming back to center. Exhale, go ahead and release your hands. Then you're gonna do a little crunch as you gotta search for those middle handles. And then unwrap your legs. As you lower the legs, set your body up, coming to a seat. You can rest your head to one side or the other. Maybe even widen the fabric underneath you so you feel a little more supported. Whew. Thank you so much for following along. I hope that this helps you to build up your upper body strength so you can get into some more of those trickier poses. Have a wonderful day. Be sure to like and subscribe for the next 2 videos in this series. Namaste.